If your Epic Games Launcher is showing the LS-0013 launch failed error, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through two of the most effective fixes step by step. This error usually appears when the game files are missing, corrupted, or when the launcher doesn't have the right permissions to start the game properly. The good news is that you can often solve it in just a few minutes without reinstalling everything. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and gaming tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, we're going to verify the game files inside the Epic Games Launcher. Open Epic Games Launcher and head over to your library. Find the game that is giving you the LS-0013 error, then click the three dots next to it. From the menu, go to Manage, and then select Verify. This tells Epic Games to scan the game installation and check whether any files are missing or damaged. If it finds a problem, it will automatically repair the game files for you. This is one of the most common fixes for launch failed errors, because even one broken file can stop the game from opening correctly. Now give that process a little time to finish, especially if the game is large. Once verification is complete, try launching the game again and see if the error is gone. If the problem is still there, the next step is to run the Epic Games Launcher as an administrator. This is important because sometimes Windows blocks the launcher from accessing certain files or system permissions it needs to start the game. To do this, right-click the Epic Games Launcher shortcut on your desktop or in your Start menu, then choose Properties. In the Properties window, click the Compatibility tab. Here, you'll see an option that says Run this program as an administrator. Check that box, then click Apply and OK to save the changes. After that, close the launcher completely and open it again using the updated settings. Once it's reopened, try launching the game one more time. Running as an administrator can often fix permission-related issues that trigger the LS-0013 error. If you want, you can also make sure the launcher is fully updated and your PC has no pending Windows updates, because outdated software can sometimes contribute to launch problems. But in most cases, verifying the game files and enabling administrator mode will solve the issue. So to quickly recap, first, verify the game files in Epic Games Launcher, then run the launcher as an administrator and test the game again. These two steps fix the LS-0013 launch failed error for a lot of players, and they're safe and easy to try. If this tutorial helped, please like the video, subscribe for more gaming troubleshooting guides, and leave a comment if you want help with another Epic Games error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.